Today I'm walking you through the very popular Stellar floor plan here at Beachwalk by Manasota Key. The base Stellar plan starts as a 3-bedroom, 3-bath home with a flex room and about 2,500 square feet, all on one level, and includes a 3-car garage. Take a look at this gourmet kitchen. Beautiful quartz counters, an oversized island that comfortably seats guests, tons of cabinetry for storage, and a gas cooktop, which is something many buyers specifically look for. And just off the kitchen is the dining area, which flows right into the living room. At the back of the home is the spacious primary suite, which is full of natural light. In the primary bath are dual sinks, a large walk-in shower, and a massive closet. Toward the front of the home, you have a flex room, which is perfect for an office or sitting area, and 2 additional bedrooms and 2 full baths. Because the primary bedroom is set privately at the back of the home, the split layout offers a quiet retreat while keeping guest spaces completely separate. The zero-corner sliders disappear, opening the entire space and bringing the outdoors in. And with your private pool just steps away, this backyard becomes your own private paradise. Pricing here at Beachwalk for the Stellar model begins in the upper 800s and varies depending on lot premiums, structural designs, and design selections. The Stellar is one of the most popular floor plans here, and it's easy to see why. The open layout, split floor plan, generous square footage, and that indoor-outdoor connection that most Florida buyers are looking for. For more information on this or any of the models here at Beachwalk, call, text, or email for a list of current pricing, incentives, and availability. Talk soon.